Wow, we were able to successfully access the new page. Now since we need to develop a form to add new clients, like the registration form, it also needs to use the post method and the Django CSRF token tag. Here I am copying the form post and Django CSRF token tags from the registration page. Actually, the copy-paste feature saves a lot of time. So let's paste the code we copied just after the h1 tag on the add client page. Here, inside the action, use the URL Django tag to write the property named addClient that we defined in the URL s.py file. Here you see, in the URL s.py file, I defined addClient in the name property. So, copy it and paste it here. Now we will use form.as_p Django tag after our CSRF token tag. Because here we will load our client add form. You already know that to load a Django form, you have to use this form as p tag. Now, let's copy the code for the register button from the register page for our convenience. And paste it under the form p tag. Don't forget to align the form closing tag. Now let's go to the form.py file and create a form to insert a client record. First we need to import the client model class. So type from .models import client. This will allow us to access all the fields in the client table. Now let's define a class for the client add form. It would be great if we maintain some comments for this form, because we will define more forms in this file later. Now we will define a class called addClientForm. And inside the parentheses, write forms.modelForm. This model form will actually help us assign field properties to the client's model class we defined. The full name, email, phone and other fields of the model class can be easily relate with the properties of the form class we defined. Now let's define the client fields whose data we want to insert into the database through the client form, in this addClientForm class. First we will take the full name. Then I'll get the email. Then I'll take the phone number. This may sound a little boring, but we have to define them this way. Then I'll take the address field. Let's take a look at what other fields are left from the model class. Okay, city, state, zip code and created at fields are left. So take the city field. Now define the state field. Now that the zip code is left, take the zip code field as well. Let's check again to see if there are any fields left. Oh, the created at field is left out. Let's add this field too. Okay,